I love Mondays. Here we are, day 2, task 2, Santa Curz Flats Race 2018. I say the date so you guys know that you're missing out. But anyway, looks like we're gonna have the same type of day today, same type of heat, same blue skies. We'll keep you updated on all the fun. Catch you in a little bit. Ciao. So there's the task for day 2. We have a diamond-shaped diamond. Hey girl, hey! A diamond-shaped diamond to for the sport class task today. I'm trying to hunt down one of the goal-making pilots from yesterday in the sport class, but he's moving way faster than my little legs can stride. Oh, all right, tracked him down. Mr. Parrot, Jeff Parrot. Hello. How do you feel about today?
Good.
Wait, pause. I don't care about today. Yesterday. Tell me about yesterday a little bit, then tell me about today.
Yesterday was awesome. Made goal. First goal. Was pretty nice. Didn't think I was going to make it. Kind of struggled a couple miles down the way and 0 lift and turned into a little lift and made it.
You know, perseverance, patience wins the race. That's what I heard a little bit from some pilots, and I'm glad you put that into practice.
Need some PP.
Need some PP. Perseverance and patience. All right, I think he's gonna go to the restroom, and then we'll figure out the rest. Here we are with Jeff Parrot, Mr. Goal superstar from yesterday. How do you feel about today?
I feel good. Seems like a good task. We'll see how it goes.
Yeah?
Yeah, hopefully make it back, but
I think I'm just gonna tell your driver just to hang out here by the pool.
it's probably smart.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool.
No sense in wasting gas. Global warming and all.
Hey, so it's like 195 degrees out here. If you can tell, I have found a second wind thanks to this crispy, cool, nice and refreshing Perrier. Beautiful.
Oh.
How you dealing with this heat, bro?
Me?
Yeah.
Just, I don't know. Just in it.
Yeah? Yeah?
Yeah, I mean, it's hot.
Was yesterday a challenge at all?
A little bit. Like, I was definitely pretty fatigued after the day. Probably be the same again, but, you know, it is what it is.
Awesome. Well, if I don't get with you on the launch line before you get up in the air, I'll wish you a good flight now and
awesome.
Kick some ass, man.
Thanks, Kendrick.
Some knuckles. Here we are, retrieving Sarah Weaver. I got her a message while the camera was off. Went ahead and found her out here in the middle of somewhere. So thing number 1, grab a nice cool water. Sarah's funny, she always lands really far away from everywhere. Look. And not to mention she landed in this real deep sand, so I'm gonna have sand in my socks and shoes. Dang, I don't know if I signed up for this. Finally made it. Trek across the desert in sand that goes down to my ankles. Here's the lovely Miss Sarah.
Hello.
It's hot and the bags are at the car, so I'm gonna go get the bags. and do this whole walk again. But as you can see, Sarah is alive and well, hydrated, and that's what matters. And hot. And it's hot as well. So, all right, be good, guys, and we'll catch you on the flip-flop. Later. All right, so here we are. See one glider's up there. That's Miss Sarah Weaver's. Off in the distance, I don't know if you can see the superstar himself, Mr. Jeff Parrot. Landed just short of goal today, which is no biggie, you know. Even strides, patience, perseverance, all of that stuff helps you win the race when it's all said and done. You know what I'm saying? How do you eat a burger? One bite at a time. How do you win a race? One task at a time. All right, guys, we're gonna get them loaded up, and I'll catch you in a little bit. Later.